Welcome back to my channel. I hope so you all will be doing it well, and we start the lecture with this prayer that God bless you in every aspect of life and you will always stay happy and healthy. So now we'll start our lecture. Today we study about expository writing, part 2. In the previous lecture we study about the definition and purpose, key characteristics of expository writing. Now we study about techniques and strategies of expository writing. Make sure that you should complete watch the video because at last it should be very beneficial for you. First one is thesis statement. A clear thesis statement is essential in expository writing. It informs the readers of the main point or purpose of the essay, guiding the direction of the content that follows. Topic sentences. Each paragraph typically begins with a topic sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph. This helps to organize the essay and makes it easier for the reader to follow the writer's train of thought. Transitions. Smooth transitions between paragraphs and ideas are crucial. They help maintain the flow of the writing and ensure that the reader can easily move from one point to the next. Evidence and examples. Incorporating evidence and examples is critical in supporting the information presented. This can include data, expert opinions, real life examples, and more, all of which lend credibility to the writing. Concluding statement. A strong conclusion restates the thesis in light of the evidence presented and summarizes the main points. It may also offer final insights or suggest implications, leaving the reader with a clear understanding of the topic. Next, study about challenges in expository writing. Maintaining objectivity. Writers may find it challenging to remain objective, especially when they have strong feelings about the topic. It is important to stay neutral and avoid injecting personal opinions unless they are relevant and presented as such. Avoiding complexity. While the subject matter may be complex, the writing should not be. It is crucial to break down complex ideas into simple, understandable components. Structure. Introduction, body, and conclusion. There are three main parts of the expository writing structure. There are also three parts in the essay writing. In the previous lecture in essay writing tips and techniques, I also tell you about the parts of the essay. Now we study about the structure of the expository writing. First one is introduction. Introduces the topic and provides background information. Body provides facts, data, and evidence to support the topic. Conclusion summarizes the main points and reiterates the importance of the topic. Next is about tips of expository writing. Use clear and concise language. Concise means to the point. Use transitional words and phrases to connect ideas. Use examples and anecdotes to illustrate points. Use facts and data to support arguments. Edit and revise for clarity. Clarity being clear and accuracy. Thank you for your precious time and stay connected for further informative videos. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. That's all.